So finally, friends, the wait is over. The ICSE board has declared today the date sheet for ICSE 2023 examination. Chemistry TUTE would like to share the latest update by the council. So just give me a minute. Let me share the scheme. Here it goes. Now here is the scheme. It says 27 February English language, that is English paper 1. 1st March literature in English, English paper 2. 3rd March commercial studies. 4th March art paper 1 still life. Then your 6th of March it is history civics paper 1. Then 10th of March it's mathematics. 11th of March art paper 2. 13th March again it's a geography paper, HCG paper 2. Then 14th of March it's environmental science. Then 15th March it's the second language, and the modern foreign languages are given in this. So as per your choice, you can see the list is here. Then 17th March it is physics. 18th March it is art paper 2. Then 20th March it's chemistry. 21st March it's economics. 23rd March it's group 3 elective. Again the choices are there. You can see here they are given in the list. 24th March it's French or Sanskrit group 2 elective. 25th March art paper 4. 27th March it's Hindi, and 29th March it's your biology science paper 3, with which your exams will end. And you can see they are following the same time which was usually followed for ICSE. That means the paper starts at 11 a.m. So Chemistry TUTE wishes all the students all the best for the upcoming board examinations. We are starting with the fresh online crash course batches, be it any board. You can always message me and contact me for the further details. Thank you and all the best once again.